My boss gave me an Excel sheet having data of all the MCS students with their marks scored in each subject. He told me to group the data semester wise for each student. Here is what I did. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any specific requests, please mention them in the comments and I will try to make a video on that topic. For any training needs related to programming, Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, soft skills, or AI, you can connect with me. My contact details are displayed on the screen. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.